afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question number 49. And today's question we have this instruction to guide us. And the instruction here says choose from the options lettered A to E the one that most appropriately complete each sentence. And this instruction is to answer questions from 41 to 70. And the sentence says the recruitment exercise dash last month. The recruitment exercise dash last month. The recruitment exercise dash last month. Option A say began, B say begin, C say begins, D say began, E say has begun. So when we talk of began, it is the past form of begin. Then begin is this is present form. Then begins is the present singular form. Then began is the past participle form of begin. Then while has begun is the present past participle. Now in this contextual analysis, what you notice is that this statement or the action of verb is yet to be completed. Yes, it's yet to be completed. So we cannot use the past tense of begin. So we cannot say the recruitment began last month. No. Then we cannot say the option B. We cannot say the recruitment begin last month. The action have started. So the action of begin have commenced. So we cannot say begin again. So we cannot say the recruitment exercise begins last month. No, because begins is the past singular form of begin. Then the correct option here is begun. So the recruitment exercise began last month. It's just like when you say go and you say gone and went. Now let's assume that maybe a visitor come to the house and ask where's your mom. You now say my mom went to the market. It's wrong. You cannot say my mom went to the market, because the action of go has not been completed. Is that my mom has gone to the market. Gone, because the action of go has not been completed. So in this expression also the action of begin has not been completed. So our correct option here is option D, because the action of begin by the analysis of this statement has not been completed. So we cannot say the recruitment exercise began last month. So option D is correct. So it is not what the way people say it outside that matters in grammar. No, it is what the standard or the rule of grammar says that matters. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.